Hi, today I'm doing a detailed review of Instadoodle and Doodly, two big names in the world of whiteboard animation. If you're into creating engaging explainer videos or adding a storytelling touch to your content, you're going to love today's video. If you're a business owner, a teacher, a content creator, or just someone who loves bringing ideas to life through visuals, this breakdown is for you. I'll cover everything from features, pricing, pros and cons, and help you decide which is the best AI whiteboard animation tool. Let's start with Instadoodle. Instadoodle is a new age AI-powered doodle animation platform that's fully cloud-based. Its main pitch: you can create studio-quality whiteboard videos in just 3 clicks. It's made with beginners in mind. No need to be a designer, an animator, or even technical savvy. The most unique aspect is its Doodle AI engine. Instead of browsing through endless libraries, you just type a text prompt and it generates custom doodle images for you. No two videos ever have to look the same. Do you want a businessman juggling pineapples while riding a unicycle? Just type it. The AI will draw it. On the flip side, we have Doodly. Doodly is a more traditional but polished whiteboard animation software. It's been around longer and offers a desktop app with a drag and drop interface. You'll find a large library of characters, props, and scenes that you manually place into your video. You choose from multiple board styles: whiteboard, blackboard, glassboard, and even customize draw paths for each image. It's not AI generated, but it gives you complete creative control. So in a nutshell, Instadoodle is fast, AI-driven, and designed for quick content creation, but Doodly gives you more hands-on control, which can be better for creators who want to meticulously design each scene. Now let us talk about the features of both platforms. First, Instadoodle. AI text to video. You just describe what you want and the Doodle AI engine draws it. It is cloud-based. No downloads, access from any device anytime. Over 1,000 doodle assets, plus the ability to generate anything not in the library. Image to sketch converter. You can upload your own images and convert them into doodles. Add voiceovers and music. You can personalize your animations. Multiple hand styles. Choose from different drawing hand types. And unlimited videos. You can create as many doodles as you want with no export restrictions. How about the features of Doodly? Drag and drop editor. You can build scenes easily using preset elements. Thousands of characters and props. Extensive library with color and black and white options. Multiple board types. You can choose between whiteboard, blackboard, greenboard, and glassboard. Custom draw paths. You can control how each item is animated. Record or upload voiceovers, and you can sync them with your animation. Offline use. It's a downloadable app ideal for low internet environments. And scene transitions and timeline editor, which gives you greater control over pacing and storytelling. Now let us talk about the pricing. Instadoodle follows the subscription model of at least $47 per month. There's also a pro version at $67 per month and an agency plan at $127 per month. Each has features that are more extensive than the other based on the price. With Doodly, they also follow a subscription-based model. It starts at $49 per month for the standard plan and goes up to $79 per month for the enterprise plan, which gives you access to more assets and premium features. If you opt for the annual billing, you can bring the costs down to about $20 to $40 per month depending on the plan. So with Doodly, you get more customization and professional grade assets, but at an ongoing cost. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of both platforms. First, the pros. With Instadoodle, it is extremely beginner friendly. Lightning fast video creation. AI generated custom illustrations. No downloads or installations needed. How about the pros of Doodly? Deep customization and precision. Larger pre-made asset library. It works offline. You draw path control for every element and is great for professionals or long-term video teams. And the cons? With Instadoodle, Limited control for advanced users. AI outputs can sometimes miss the mark and requires internet it is not offline. The cons of Doodly? Steeper learning curve. There are ongoing subscription costs, and it is asset-based. Creativity is limited to what's in the library or what you imported manually. So, having considered all of this, which is the best AI whiteboard animation tool? If you are a beginner or a small business owner that is looking to quickly churn out attention-grabbing videos without technical headaches, Instadoodle is a fantastic option. Its AI features save time, the interface is dead simple. It's perfect for educators, YouTubers, or marketers who want to experiment with doodle videos affordably. But if you're more experienced, you want maximum control, and you don't mind paying a monthly fee for access to a richer library, then Doodly is for you. It's ideal for agencies, for video editors, or anyone producing content at scale who needs polish and power. In truth, it comes down to speed and control, simplicity and depth. So pick what fits your creative style and your budget. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore VideoScribe, Explain.io, and Render Forest. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.